Instagram is a rich platform that people use to share photos, short videos, and information about their day-to-day lives. Interestingly, the platform has over the years caught the eyes of investors and marketers who have continued to design ways of promoting their products with their followers. It's a proven fact that just like other social media platforms, Instagram possesses the potential to create awarenesses among users, followers about products and brands out there. As a savvy marketers, there are hundreds of ways that Instagram can be tapped into get the best out of it in terms of product and brand promotion. While on one hand, you could use geolocation on your tagged Instagram snaps and short videos. You could, on the other hand, adopt a following celebrities strategy that could equally promote your profile and product ultimately. What's more, you could even go to the extent of partnering with other competing organizations and brands to leverage each other's products. In a nutshell, each organization and brand is unique and is upon the management and the marketing team especially to come up with the most appropriate strategy for Instagram and other social media presence.